Cross Chocolate Lake.
Nakatulog si Nicole sa sobrang pagod. Diyan siya nakatulog. Kawawa naman, my dear.
Lake. Coney Island. Say it with me. Mountain. Lake. Coney Island. Mountain. Lake. Coney Island. Mountain. Lake. Coney Island.
How do we
Sabi
get
niya,
to Coney Island?
Wala pa siya.
Mountain.
Hindi ata siya nakatulog.
Lake. Coney
Kawawa
Island.
naman.
So first, we need to go over Strawberry
Nabutan ko
Mountain.
lang sa kanya yung sinabi niya.
Then we cross
Mm.
Chocolate Lake.
Gumano na siya.
And that's how we get to Coney Island. Okay, so first we have to go over the Strawberry Mountain. Now where is the mountain? Do you see the mountain? Where? Strawberry Mountain! Strawberry